Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. If this is your first time, hello, welcome. And if you're original diamond or gem, hey boo, I see you. So as you could tell in the title, we do have another beauty haul. And this beauty haul I came across in Walmart a few weeks ago, and I did buy some of the items, want a piece of everything I seen that was there. And then when I got home, I did my research and can't find it nowhere. I did YouTube it and I only found 3 videos. So I thought, why not buy it, give you a review, give you your first impressions. I mean, it's a win-win for both of us. So if you would like to see this beauty haul and what products I found, then keep watching. And before you leave, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And most of all, turn on your post notification so you won't miss another video from me. So let's get into it. So I didn't tell y'all what was the name of the product, and the product is LALAFOX. Weird name. I didn't understand what it was at first until I actually started looking at the product. Now I didn't get a picture of the stand that it was on in Walmart, but it's like a little end cap, a white stand. If I could find a picture somewhere on Google or something, I will go ahead and insert it right here. But I did get a little bit of everything. I got some makeup products and I got some skincare products. So we're gonna jump in to my very first item, which is the LALAFOX drawing brush liner in deep black. Now the horrible thing about this, the reason why I'm showing it first, is I've been using it, I've been loving it ever since the day I bought it, and I cannot find it. I don't know if I threw it in my makeup drawer or something, but I cannot find it. But y'all, it's like a pointed felt tip, if you could tell on the box. But the felt tip of it is a actual brush. It's not felt tip. It doesn't stick together as the tip. It actually is a brush. And I can't say I do. Never fails. I can say I do like this liner, and I really wish I could find it. Y'all should have seen how long I was looking for it, and I just cannot find it. So the next product is going to be the drawing gel liner in the color bronze.
And I do apologize if y'all hear the wife in the background. She's all the way in our room and she's playing the game.
But this liner is in bronze, and it is just a pencil liner, but it is one of those retractable liners. It does come up, and it's in the color bronze, but it pay off well on the hand, but it doesn't do much for my waterline. Like if it's a little too bronze, it doesn't show up in the waterline. So I am gonna keep giving this a few more tries before I actually determine if I like it or not.
And I do apologize, we are in a different setting. I know my lights and stuff is not in this room, but I was trying to let Bay have the room, so hopefully y'all can forgive me for that.
The next LALAFOX product I have is the Drawing Brow Pencil, and it's in gray brown. And The only reason why I got the gray brown is because the dark brown and the black brown, I think it was, they didn't have. And it is really, really, really gray. It's not even too much of a brown. It's more gray than brown. And as y'all may know, that's the color right here. And as y'all can tell, I like my brows really dark. So I do have to say I'm gonna pass this along. The next product I got is the Touch Up Mascara, and it's the Separate Lash Mascara. Now they did have another hook thing for, like, I think it was like 2 other mascaras, but they didn't have it on the stand. So I decided to try this one because it was the only one. This one is really what it means. It's a separation lash. It's a separation mascara. So I could say I like it for separating my lashes, but to give it any type of volume or length to it, it doesn't do it. It only separates. And now onto the lip products I got. I did get the Colorful Coat Tint in Escalate Pink, and it looks like this. Now this is exactly what it's called, a colorful tint. Now why did I think it was like a liquid lipstick? I don't know, but I do like the smell. I wouldn't go out and buy any other one of these colorful colorful coat tints. I wouldn't go out and buy another one because I thought it was a liquid lipstick and it just tints your lips. But it does smell good, and it is a pretty pink. Matter of fact, let me show y'all how sheer it is. It is exactly like that, so I wouldn't buy it again. It does look like it could be a liquid lipstick, but it's not. Trust me. And then the last one I haven't even opened yet, so I'm ripping off the paper. And this one is a Color Fix lipstick, and it is in the color, it's a glossy lipstick, and it's in the color #Fernand. Y'all, I did see a couple of other lipsticks there, and they're all like #guy names. I did see a purple one that was #Jeremy, but I always get purple lipsticks when I find a new product, so I wanted to try something totally different. And this one looks like this. I do like the all black packaging, and there is the little name. I love the fox. I still don't understand the concept, but I love the little, I don't know, he looks like a, I did go for a red, and this is a really red. This is my first time seeing it just as well as y'all, so I am gonna swatch it. Okay, it's not that, it's almost like a sheer fixed, like a sheer lipstick, which is right there, and it is a little bit glossy. So I think depending on how these wear, I would go and find more of these because I do like it. Let's move on to the skincare products. I only found 2 products, but it was like a section for like maybe 4 more products, and I really want to go back to Walmart sometime soon to see if they then restocked, so that I can get the rest of the products I'm missing. The one skincare product I found was the Intense Pro Cleansing Water. It's a face cleansing water, and it's a all-in-one cleansing water that removes makeup and impurities while toning and brightening the skin. This unique formula leaves skin smooth, fresh, and deeply cleansed. Y'all, that was so hard considering it's a clear bottle. But as you can tell, I used a little bit. I can say it does take the makeup off pretty good. But you still know, like any cleansing waters, any makeup removers, you still want to go in and cleanse your face. But it does smell like every other product they have, which is like a light perfume smell, which is not too strong, which is not harsh. I haven't seen it take a toll on my face or anything, so I think I will go and get another bottle. If there was any more, I think I would, because it did take the makeup off pretty. Now the next product I really liked, and it is the Intensive Pro Cleansing Gel. It's a face cleansing gel with hyaluronic gel with mineral waters that cleanse your skin with minimal irritation, which looks like this. This stuff smells so good, and it is so silky. And literally the directions say, pump once, create a lather with water, and gently massage onto face. Rinse off thoroughly with lukewarm water. Literally, all you do need is one pump. Now, you may get a little extra and do 2 pumps, 3 pumps even maybe, but I do one pump, get it on my face, lather it up like it says, rinse that off, and then do another pump and do it again. Do the same step again, and then rinse it off again. Now, I do use this one first to take off the makeup, and then wash my face with this, and it smells so good, y'all. This smell. Now let's move on to the fun stuff. And what I mean by fun stuff is face mask. A whole bunch of face masks. So let me explain to you why I have 2 different packs of face masks. So these are the LALAFOX face mask variety. Now this one here that I got is the 4-pack mask. Literally, I just opened it right before the video, so I don't even know what 4 is in the pack because it doesn't tell you. It just says on the back, featuring a variety of moisturizing, nourishing, brightening, and pore tightening daily sheet masks that enhance the natural healthy glow of all skin types. So it's 4 different masks in this one. And then right when I was getting ready to walk away, I seen on the bottom shelf that they had the 8 mask plus 1 bonus. So this is a 9-pack mask, and once again I just opened it right before. So the first one is a pearl mask, and it helps with brightening the skin. So the next one is the milk moisturizing. It's a milk mask, and it's for moisturizing. The second one is the charcoal mask for pore care. And then the last one of that pack is the honey mask, and it's for nourishing. Let's get into this bigger pack. And if y'all follow me on Snapchat, I think I'm gonna try one of these masks on tonight and Snapchat it. Okay, so it is 9, and just to shorten it up, now that I done counted them, I kind of seen what they were. So we have 3 charcoals. We have 3 charcoal pore cares. And if that was the case, I would have just got the 8-pack, the 9-pack to begin with. And then we got 2 honey masks, which is the nourishing ones. We got 2 of the milk moisturizing masks. And then of course we got 2 more pearl brightening masks. So that is the end of this review. I do have another video that will be going up soon using all of the makeup products that I used, and I will just go ahead and Snapchat taking my makeup off, cleansing my face, and doing the mask. And you guys have heard of it, have seen it in your Walmart, have picked up some items. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know what you think about it, because literally there is no history of it when I first bought it, and it was like only like 2-3 weeks ago when I bought it. It was no history, and when I YouTubed it, 3 videos came up. So if y'all would like for me to do a designated video to the skincare portion of it, let me know. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, comment down below your thoughts, if you tried it, if you've seen it. And I will go back to Walmart to check and see if I can find some more products, and if I can, I will come back and do a whole nother video. So until next time, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, click the notification bell, become a part of the gang, the D4L clique, and I'll see you babies in the next one.